second to the last sunset. Looking for some priestesses and some gypsies. Preferably gypsies. Maybe we should grab a rooftop going. And hoping to take the money we make out of the gypsy tears and apply that towards the temple of Aphrodite and all the priestesses. That's my goal for tonight. Doodle. Doodle with the oracle. Another priestess. Flowers for priestesses. The temple of Aphrodite. Let's play a little Sweet Home Alabama while we're in Athens, Greece.
For drinks and food, welcome.
We're going to walk by the Greek Agora.
This is Adrian's library.
Yeah. See if he's there, no? He's not. This feels like the Times Square of Athens.
Va bene, non è che difficile.
We got this, Uncle Chris.
Oh, you're going this way.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun once we get up there.
Get these. We're on top of the Pnyx hill. Pnyx Hill. The speaker's gate was just on the left for all the politicians and folks to address the democracy. To talk to their people. This is where democracy started, right? Here. Democracy started right behind me. That's where they used to speak to all of the people. Everyone had a vote. Right there. So this time tomorrow we're going to be walking in there.
Yes.
Like a boss.
Yes. First time in the week.
I know, we haven't been there. You've seen it, but you haven't been up there yet. That might be the best part of your week.
Maybe.
It might be.
Or Olympic training tomorrow morning.
Olympic training could be too. This is where the ancients would go down.
Walk over that pathway and not bust a nut.
Oh, it wouldn't be authentic then unless you bust a nut. Healthcare for everyone. Free games for everyone.
Yay.
Free priestesses for everyone.
Yay.
Long live Corey. And my sidekick, Christoph. Right, Chris? We are literally standing where democracy was created in 500 something BC. That's where all the people would hang, right here, listening attentively. Chris, let's go over here.